tired of getting splinters from the old wooden bucket you call a chamber pot? Have you been rained upon by other people's waste?
No, not again.
John Harrington introducing the flush toilet.
Whoa!
John Harrington invented the flush toilet in 1556.
Right you are, Willis. I invented the flush toilet to dispose of unsanitary waste.
And I, Thomas Crapper, the master plumber, perfected it. I stopped the smell of what went down from coming back up.
And for this limited TV offer, you can get not 2, not 3, but 1 toilet.
It comes with a variety of uses, including
Why'd he go so soon? Goodbye, Frederick. Tell me wait for my candy. Tell me. Ah! 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 Whoa! Ah! $1! A book!
A trophy. A shotgun.
A baseball bat!
Help me, help me. Ah! I'll save you, ma'am. Ah! My hero. No problem, ma'am. Just doing my job.
I wonder what Nico's doing. Better not go in there. Okay, I'll just talk to you later.
But wait, there's more. Call now and you'll receive this TV, this Xbox, this wallet full of money, and
This tiger! Roar!
but you have to call within the next 10 seconds. So hurry up. The number is
1-800-5-1. Oh, sorry. Time's up. Better luck next time.
sorry. So Will, what have we learned?
well, the flush toilet was invented in 1556 by John Harrington. Then, in 1880, Thomas Crapper added the S-curve to the pipe system to keep the stinky smell down the drain.
Great job, Will.